In this video, I'm going to create an artwork based on the pattern feature available in Adobe Illustrator. Welcome to Color Page. I am Sukumar Swaminathan, graphic designer and video editor from Chennai, India. Let's begin. Thanks for watching the video, and this is the final version of the artwork. If you have any doubts or need clarification, please use the comment section. I will always try to reply your comments. I also provide one-to-one direct personal coaching in Adobe suites like Photoshop, InDesign, Illustrator and Premiere Pro. If interested, the details are in the description. You can always contact me. Kindly like, share, subscribe and support our channel. I'll see you in another video. Until then, it's Sukumar Swaminathan signing off.